Okay, girl, Diamond got the inches today. Yes, please. So today I am doing a 6x6 wig install from Ywigs. This is 28 inches, baby. So this is a lot of hair. So yeah, girl, we're gonna get into it, and you already know how we're gonna start this thing off, and we're gonna get into this hairline. Now, as far as what I can see, this wig did not come pre-plucked. However, it did come on an HD lace, which definitely makes a difference with the wig install. So even though this wig did not come with a pre-plucked hairline, I'm still going to show you girls how to make this wig work for you. So a 6x6 is basically you get 6 inches of lace and 6 inches of parting space. So the main difference with this wig compared to like other 5x5 wigs I've tried in the past is of course a 6x6, but most obviously is the HD lace. Honestly, I feel like this can either make or break your wig because it's just going to give you a more natural, flawless look. And then also, like when it comes to the parting, your part should be a lot more cleaner. And honestly, the lace just blends or it melts into your skin a lot better than any other type of regular lace. So when it comes to securing my wig, you girls already know the drill. I like to go in with some holding spray, and I prefer to use a makeup brush to apply the holding spray directly because it just simply gives a more precise application where when you're using like spray to secure your wig, girl, sometimes the spray go everywhere but where you need it to be. So this just gives a little bit more accuracy with the install. So basically here what I'm doing is just pulling out the hairs on the lace so that I can see exactly like where I need to go in and do any tweaking. But again, I'm not gonna be doing any type of plucking to this wig because I just don't feel like it, girl. So this is a finesse tip. Pull some of the baby hairs out in the front and then push some of the hairs going back, and that's going to make it seem like you plucked your wig but you really didn't. But again, having an HD lace does make a difference with your wig install. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Come over and check up on 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 it. Why do you want it? Come over and check up on it. 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 Why do you want it? Come over and check up on it. Check up on it. Check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. Check up on it. Check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. Got it, on it. I know you want it. I know you want it. I know you want it. Okay, so maybe this wig did come pre-plucked, but it's not a whole lot, girl. It's less than an inch for sure. But nevertheless though, I'm still going to make it work. So definitely make sure you press out your hairline so you can see if you actually want to go in and pluck, but I'm not, girl. Check up on it, got it, flaunt it, boy, I know you want it. While I turn around you, watch me check up on it. You watching me shake it, shake it, shake, shake it, shake it. Come over and check up on 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 it. So let me hop on here and say this. These baby hairs is really giving with this 6x6 closure wig. Normally, my baby hairs on a closure wig is not like this. And normally, girl, I might be struggling a little bit because the lace either isn't blending into the skin or the hairline is just way too thick, or it just, girl, it just ain't giving what I needed to give. But this wig, girl, you see these baby hairs? It looks so good on this wig. And I'm so glad I just decided to do like a real small swoop in the front, because I definitely think that makes the wig look so much better by just adding a little swoop here and there. Okay, girl, so the hairline and lace is laid and melted. So now it's time to get into this hair texture. So first of all, this hair texture was not like this when it came in the mail. It was more like a wand curl texture, which was real interesting. So I really didn't know what to do with that, and I did not expect for the wig to transform to like those deep waves that you saw before I started adding product to the hair. So I did not want to wet this hair because I did not want to weigh it down. I just only wanted to try to define the waves in this hair. And girl, I ran out of the foaming wave stuff, so I was real disappointed with that. But either way, I'm finna try to make it work and make these waves pop in this wig. But y'all, this wig is so cute. I had no idea this wig was going to transform like this, especially when it comes to the texture.
Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Come over and check up on 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 it. Check up on it, check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it, check up on it, check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it.
Oh y'all, this 6x6 wig you definitely need. This is a badass wig. This wig is so cute. Love the hairline, love the texture. However, this wig does better with finger combing, because when I tried to put a brush through this wig, it was not giving those beautiful waves that you girls see. It was just basically straightening the hair, and I don't know why. Maybe I didn't have enough product. Maybe, like I said, this wig does better with just running your fingers through it. Because the brush just, girl, I'm so glad I only put the brush at the ends of my hair and not throughout my hair, because I would have been real mad. But yeah, girl, these waves are so damn cute in this wig. This is absolutely finna be my summer hair for sure. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it 28 inches though, because this is a lot of hair. But baby, these waves and this lace is so nice, and it's a 6x6, so I ain't gotta worry about a bunch of lace and trying to blend and melt and all that stuff that comes with a lace install. Girl, yes, this is definitely a wig that you want in your wig collection. Of course, Ywigs never fails. All the details will be below. Bye.